The Early Scholars Academy is staffed by qualified early childhood education specialists who guide children through creative, hands-on, interactive encounters using a research-based curriculum.
The Early Scholars Academy is a facility where children come to do hands-on learning in our 3 discovery pods. Each of the discovery pods has 3 themed rooms.
Del Mar College students in the Child Development Early Childhood program participate in internships at the Early Scholars Academy.
The interns come in and they start to shadow our lead staff, and they learn the teaching process and help with the children engaging in all of the different activities.
The experiences that I'm getting here are in the classroom and then outside of the classroom. So while we do not have children in the building at all times, we are busy preparing and creating activities. It's important to realize that early childhood majors and education majors are not just in the classroom. We also help become members of the community outside of the classroom and in the background of things. This environment is similar to a classroom, but it is a different type of program and engagement.
As part of the curriculum, these Del Mar College majors are placed at different child care facilities throughout the community, where they receive hands-on learning.
I think that it's very important for these interns because they're getting a wide variety of experience, because we service anywhere from toddlers all the way up to 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade.
So right now I am working towards my associate's degree. As soon as I'm completed with that, I'd like to join the workforce and then also return back for my bachelor's degree at Texas A&M Corpus Christi. My ultimate goal is to become a family advocate for child protective services and help keep families together.